Hey guys, we're back today and we're going to be doing some stuff with citric acid. I don't know if this is the right stuff I'm supposed to be using, but I am, and it's basically pure sour. And my friend Lucas, do you want to try this? Come on, try it. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be gross. Oh!
If we get in trouble for this stupid idea again, it's not gonna be my fault. Like the whiteout, that was the worst.
Oh god. It tastes like acid. Okay. It's not sour, it's just it burns. No, okay, I can't do it. God. I'm sorry. We may do more with this stuff, but this stuff, no. Okay, guys. We may be doing more stuff at our lunch, but right now I can't do it.